In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create role categories on Discord. Role dividers. If you're looking for a cleaner way to organize roles on your Discord server, creating role dividers is a simple and effective solution. Role categories help separate different groups of roles, making your server easier to manage and easier for members to understand. This is especially useful if you have a lot of roles, such as staff roles, member roles, bot roles, or game-related roles. To get started, open Discord and head over to the server where you want to create your role category. Once you're in the server, open the Server Settings section and navigate to the Roles area. This is where you'll be creating the divider role that will act as a category heading for other roles. Create a new role and give it the name you want to use as your category. For example, if you're grouping all of your bots together, you can create a role named Bot Roles, or something similar. The name is completely up to you and should match the type of roles you plan to organize underneath it. While editing that role, make sure the display setting that allows the role to appear separately is enabled. This part is very important because it is what allows the role to function as a visible divider within your server. Without it, the category effect won't appear the way you expect. After that, drag the newly created role above the roles that you want grouped beneath it. Role position matters because Discord uses the highest displayed role in that section as the heading. If the category role is placed above the others, those roles will appear grouped under it, creating the divider effect you're looking for. Once you've positioned the role correctly, save your changes and close the settings window. The next step is to assign that category role to any roles you want included in that group. For example, if you're organizing bot accounts, add the category role to the bots you want displayed under that section. As soon as you've done that, you'll notice that those roles are now grouped together under the divider role, making the member list much more organized and easier to navigate. You can repeat this process for any type of category you want, whether it's staff, moderators, content creators, gaming groups, or anything else that fits your server structure. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.